What is up, mountain slugs? It's been a little bit since I posted a video. Life's been kind of crazy. Things have been happening. Winter's here, of course. It's been cold, but it's been wet, but then it's been dry. So I recorded a video 2 weeks ago on my birthday. I turned 47, went for a 47-mile bike ride, tried to record, but it was cold enough that all 4 of my GoPro batteries just did not last. So that didn't work out, but I want to do a quick review. I got this state bicycle, all road. It's a gravel bike. Currently, I have over 100 miles on it just in the past 2 weeks. And it is absolutely fantastic. The bike just wants to go. It's really interesting. I even had my son ride it on a what did we do, 18-mile ride the other day, and we switched, and he couldn't believe how smooth it was across the gravel. And the pedal input, when you give it the gas, this thing just wants to go. It's like very responsive, and I'm very impressed with it. It rides down the dirt roads, the gravel roads very well. I took it down some, I guess, makeshift dirt jumps in an area out here. Took it on the pump track. I felt very confident on it. 2 things that I need to change, and that's what we're going to do today. So before I took off on my ride, this had a 100-millimeter stem on it. I hurried through a 90 because I already felt kind of stretched out on it. And I started riding and knew as soon as I was riding, the bars need to definitely be wider and they need to be closer to me. So we have purchased, or I have purchased, the goods. The Coast bar, and I wanted to kind of show you a comparison. This is the 480-millimeter bar. I believe that's right, 480 millimeters. And I just want to show you the difference. This is quite a bit different. This should really help the ride. Well, I found myself when I was riding, at least up on the tops, when I wasn't in the hoods, my kind of broad shoulders, so my arms were kind of like this, and it was kind of uncomfortable. I'm like, okay, I need a wider bar for sure. And I definitely just shortened it up. I've got a 70-millimeter stem with a wider bar. PNW recommended to go 10 millimeters shorter, but I knew I was already extended. 80 wasn't gonna be enough, so I went 70. It should be the sweet spot. So I've got that, the stem, got some nice black cork tape we'll get put on there, and should ride a lot better. So let's get them on there. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is take this bag off. If you have seen these bags or any other bags, these are really cool just to keep a tube in. I had snacks in here. I didn't put my banana in there because it'll probably get smashed up pretty good, but it held quite a bit of stuff. These are phenomenal. I got the Ozzy Osbourne one, of course, so let's get on with this. Okay, bars and stemmer on, everything's torqued. 5 to 6, I went 5.5 Newton meters on those. Now we're gonna get these cables managed and tucked, get the grip tape on, and go for a quick spin and see how it rides. So far, so good. All right, so sometimes I got them all done. I didn't have any black electrical tape. I had to use white, and then these cheesy freaking stickies that come with this tape's not that great. But I made a big boo-boo because I just went out and rode it, and the hoods are way too far down for me. Everything else feels good. It's centered. The reach feels right, but the hoods are rolled too far down. So before I sank this tape on there, I probably should have, went for a test ride around the block because they're crazy low. So guess what? I get to rip it off and do it over, and hopefully, luckily I bought 2 things of tape just to have extra, but hopefully I don't have to burn it up on redoing this. So sometimes I knew better. I should have, I sat here in the garage. Oh, it feels good. And as soon as I get on the saddle and start riding, like way too far forward, they feel rolled down, which is not going to work. So I'm going to fix it. What do you do? Okay, it is all done. I had to run down to the hardware store because I was out of black electrical tape. Got them rewrapped, got the hood set right, went and rode it, and then re-secured the cables. So it's done. It feels great, feels fantastic. Now we just need to put some miles on it. So I don't know. It's been a long time since I've had a drop bar bike. Yeah, so lesson learned, I was able to reuse the tape, which is a good thing. It was still sticky. It's just wrapping over itself, nice and tight. So should be good. I'm excited to go hit this thing on some gravel and put some more miles on it. So look forward to a review for this. So thanks for watching. Keep inching your way to the top and go ride it before you make it permanent. See you guys.